and only 4 cars were left. I suppose that would be extra for the bash just later on.
Yep.
Lights on the car corner, pace car are out. As the number 1 of Alex Treptow is going to bring them around in that Ford Escort. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Green flag and we're racing.
Treptow and Swan to the line they go. Swan, your new leader, out of turns 1 and 2. Right behind him, Royster in that 511 machine.
Followed by Sean Bauer. Looking to make a move on Treptow. Here comes Ron Osborne right behind Bauer in the 19 car.
Yeah, that Escort of Treptow having some problems on that lower end, getting passed by everybody on the high side. As Ronald Osborne in the 19 machine works his way around. But here's that 20, Ryan Nelson working the low side and fast.
Kyle Royster now your new leader in that 511 car. So it's Royster, Swan, and Bauer, your top 3.
Osborne in there as well, Nelson, Carlson, and Treptow along with Ryan Legacy.
Remember, your top 5 are going to the feature. The rest have to race their way in. Right now, Osborne on the bubble with Nelson.
Royster, Swan, Bauer trying to catch up to Swan in that 25 machine. Nelson right behind him in the 20. Osborne has dropped to 5th in that 19 machine.
We are now past the halfway mark as Kyle Royster pulling away from everybody else. Here comes Sean Bauer to challenge Mark Swan for 2nd place. Ryan Nelson starting to slide up there in that 20 car to take 3rd. He wants to take 3rd. He's looking on the inside of Bauer.
Watch out for that 19 that's working that high side fast of Osborne.
Looks like, yeah, I think Osborne might just be like, I'm going to stay in 5th place. I'm making it to the feature. I'm going to stay there. But the 55 car of Kyle Carlson definitely wants to get up there and catch Osborne. So white flag out, Kyle Royster coming around. Looks like Kyle's going to be our winner. So your winner in the 511 red car, black hood, cool looking numbers. Where's our driver out of? Let's see. Oh, we don't actually know where this driver's out of. He's from Parts Unknown.
Yeah, he's been there.
Like in wrestling, Parts Unknown.
He's going to go on the dirt here as he works his way to the podium.